In this video, we will explore the most iconic early jet and experimental aircraft from World War II and the early post-war years, showcasing the innovations that changed aviation forever. The Messerschmitt Me 262, the world's first operational jet fighter, known for its speed and firepower. HEINKEL He-178, the very first jet-powered aircraft to fly successfully, a pioneer of the jet age. HEINKEL HO-229, a stealthy flying wing prototype, decades ahead of its time. Junker Ju-287A, forward-swept wing jet bomber prototype, designed for long-range missions. Messerschmitt P-1101, an experimental jet fighter with variable sweep wings, a precursor to Cold War jets. BACHEM BA-349, a rocket-powered interceptor, designed for vertical takeoff and last-ditch defense. ARADO E-555, a never-built German strategic bomber concept, ambitious for its time. DFS-194, the prototype that led to the Messerschmitt Me 262 jet fighter. SOMBOLD So-344, a small rocket powered interceptor project, experimental and highly dangerous. HAVILLAND one of Britain's first operational jet fighters, introducing the era of jet combat. Ryan FR Fireball, hybrid piston jet fighter used by the U.S. Navy for carrier operations. McDonnell FH-BACHEM, an early American jet fighter, capable of carrier operations and supersonic testing. NORTHROP XP-79, a rocket-powered flying wing prototype, intended for extreme speed attacks. MIKOYAN. GUREVICH I-250, a Soviet mixed-power aircraft using piston and rocket engines for experimental purposes. YAKOVLEV YK-7 PVRD, a Soviet prototype testing auxiliary jet engines on a piston fighter airframe. SUKHOI Su-5, an early Soviet jet fighter prototype using a combination of piston and jet propulsion. NAKAJIMA KIKKA, Japan's first jet aircraft, inspired by German designs, marking the start of the Japanese jet era. Consolidated VULTEE, American jet bomber concept. During the late World War II years, Bell P-59, the first American operational jet fighter, though underpowered compared to later jets. GLOSTER, Britain's first operational jet fighter, famous for intercepting V-1 flying bombs. DFS-228, a German high-altitude reconnaissance glider project, later inspiring post-war designs. LIPPISCH P-13A, a German delta-wing ramjet interceptor concept, radical for its era. FOCKE-WULF TA-183, a German jet fighter project designed for high-altitude interception. Messerschmitt Me 328, a parasite fighter prototype, extremely small and experimental. HEINKEL He-280, the first German jet fighter prototype, predecessor to operational jets. ARADO AR-234, the first operational jet bomber, used for reconnaissance and strike missions. HEINKEL He-162, a lightweight jet fighter rushed into service late in World War II. FIESELER Fi-103R, better known as the V-1 flying bomb, a revolutionary cruise missile. Junker F-128, a late-war German jet fighter prototype, designed for high-speed interception. HEINKEL He-343, a never-built jet bomber project, intended as Germany's post-war strategic jet. DFS-346, a high-speed research aircraft designed to explore supersonic flight. GLOSTER E-28, the first British jet to fly, leading to the development of operational fighters like the Vampire. LOCKHEED P-80, America's first operational jet fighter, entering service just after World War II. Curtiss XF-15, an early experimental American jet fighter prototype. YOKOSUKA MXY-7, Japan's rocket-powered training aircraft, used to prepare pilots for kamikaze missions. POLIKARPOV I-153, while not a jet, this biplane was sometimes used for testing early engines and experimental modifications.